Republic Day to each one of you. Today is the day when many decades ago the Constitution of India was adopted. This Constitution of ours was drafted by some very intelligent and wise people. Their wisdom came from their experiences of having lived through the colonial era of our country. They knew what it was to have their freedom taken away from them, to live within a power that could be exercised and which they had no right to speak against. And so, when they drafted our Constitution, they made sure that they guaranteed the rights of every individual in this great land. But let us also remember that whilst everything might be given in writing, a country is only as great as its people. It is the people of a land who ensure its democracy. You boys have been brought up with a great deal of freedom. You have been given the right to speak and to air your views in your school and at home. But you have also been taught that you have to do it within a framework. This is very important. For where would we be if everyone exercised their rights but never thought of anyone else? We would live in a land of chaos. Remember, rights come with duties and responsibilities. If we do not exercise those as well, then we will never have a great democratic country. So, as we move forward from this day, let us celebrate our country, let us celebrate its diversity, but ensure its unity. Take care to give respect, to respect the dignity of others, to be wise and compassionate in all that you do. For you lose nothing if you show goodness. May God bless each one of you, and on behalf of the brothers, the staff and you, I wish everyone a very happy Republic Day. Jai Hind.
आओ तिरंगा लहराएं, आओ तिरंगा फहराएं। अपना गणतंत्र दिवस है आया, जो मैं नाचे खुशी मनाएं। अपना 71वां गणतंत्र दिवस खुशी से मनाएंगे। देश पर कुर्बान हुए शहीदों पर श्रद्धा सुमन चढ़ाएंगे। I now hand over to Edgar.
Good morning and welcome to the St. John's High School Republic Day celebration. As you all know, this year will mark the 72nd Republic Day. It was on 26 January 1950 that the Constitution of India, headed by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, came into effect. And the D-Day is celebrated as National Day to recognize and celebrate the occasion. But what do we as school children bring to Dr. Ambedkar's dream of a free and Republic India? By doing what we are doing? Well, that is by striving for excellence in our studies, by taking every challenge as an opportunity for betterment, by dreaming the impossible dream, by walking our talk. It is now up to us to work towards the fulfillment of a new India. This can be best achieved by pledging to lower barriers and obstacles to the use of creative educational experiences. Hence, we as Johnians should hope that we are able to ignite in us a spark of entrepreneurship. For you, dear Johnians, have enough talents, discipline, and determination to achieve your goals. With courage, strength, and tenacity, you can strive to reach the stars, for the sky is the limit. Hence, let us together join hands and in solidarity work towards the fulfillment of this goal. Thank you and Jai Hind.
सुखी बसे संसार सब, दुखिया रहे न कोई। यह अभिलाषा हम सबकी भगवान पूरी होए। गणतंत्र दिवस की इस पावन बेला पर हमारी ईश्वर से यही प्रार्थना है कि यह वर्ष सभी के लिए सुखदायक एवं मंगलमय हो और सभी स्वस्थ रहें। देश के संविधान को बनाते हुए जो भी कर्तव्य और अधिकार लिखे गए थे, उनकी पालना करें और किसी को भी कष्ट न पहुंचाएं। दिल में दया उदारता मन में प्रेम प्यार, हृदय में धैर्य वीरता, सबको दो करतार।
Now we present before you a hymn in the Lord's praise.
When all foundations have been shaken, when I'm left standing in the dark, and all I feel is my house breaking, you still reign and you're still God. And when it feels all hope has faded, the heavy questions hit so hard, and though my soul may feels forsaken, you still reign and you're still God. Though I can't see what's before me, I know that I can trust your heart, and this one truth will be my story. You still reign and you're still God. I will declare that you are with me. Voices whisper that you're not. You'll never leave me nor forsake me, 'cause you still reign and you're still God. Though I can't see what's before me, I know that I can trust your heart, and this one truth will be my story. Your truth still reign and you're still God. Though I can't see what's before me, I know that I can trust your heart, and this one truth will be my story. That you still reign and you're still God.
We all know that India became a republic 71 years ago on 26th Jan 1950. It was this day that the Constitution of Independent India was adopted. We are immensely grateful to the founding fathers of our republic for the foresight and wisdom in formulating a constitution that secures to all its citizens justice, liberty and equality. It promotes fraternity, the dignity of every individual and unity of the nation. With the help of these provisions of our constitution, India has grown into a beautiful and vibrant democracy, the world's largest democracy. The last decade witnessed the emergence of India as one of the fastest growing economies in the world. The founders of our constitution and leaders in the early years of the republic worked hard to build a strong and happy India. We have to celebrate Republic Day with a sense of renewal in order to build a dynamic, prosperous and a united India.
अब आपके सामने प्रस्तुत है एक कविता।
जय हिंद। वीरों ने बलिदान देकर भारत देश संवारा है, भारत देश संवारा है। आजादी का मोल समझें, यह कर्तव्य अब हमारा है, यह कर्तव्य अब हमारा है। जात पात का भेद भूलकर एकता का गान गाना है, एकता का गान गाना है। परिश्रम के पथ पर चलकर देश आगे बढ़ाना है, आजादी का मोल समझें, ये कर्तव्य अब हमारा है, ये कर्तव्य अब हमारा है। संविधान को एक पुस्तक न समझें, अपना हर कर्तव्य निभाना है, उसमें लिखे हर हर कर्तव्य पर अपनी मोहर लगाना है, अपनी मोहर लगाना है। आओ आज आवाहन करें सब, आओ आज आवाहन करें सब, कर्तव्य हर निभाना है, कर्तव्य हर निभाना है। वीरों को याद करके, वीरों को याद करके भारत समृद्ध बनाना है, भारत समृद्ध बनाना है। अपना हर कर्तव्य निभाना है, अपना हर कर्तव्य निभाना है। जय हिंद।
We now present to you a short play.
Okay class, so today is the 25th of January. Do you know what it means? Yes sir, tomorrow is a holiday. But do you know for what occasion the holiday is given to you?
Yes sir, tomorrow is the Republic Day.
Very well. You know, Republic Day is one of the most auspicious occasions in the history of our country. On this day, the Indian Constitution came into effect. Republic Day is celebrated every year since 1950, January 26. India was a colony of British for over 200 years. We became free of the British Raj following the Indian independence movement.
Sir, please tell us more about Republic Day.
Wait, let me call your history teacher. He will tell you more about this day.
Good morning class.
Good morning, sir. Sir, please tell us more about Republic Day.
On this day in the year 1950, our country was declared a republic. This means that our country was no more under the rule of some other country. It all started in 1928 when Motilal Nehru and 8 other leaders drafted a constitution for India. In 1931, in Karachi session, the resolution of the Indian National Congress dwelt on how the constitution of independent India should look like. Drafting a constitution for such a diverse country was not an easy affair. At that time, the people were emerging from the status of subjects to that of citizens. The country was born through a partition based on religious differences. This was a traumatic experience for people on both sides. The first meeting of the Constituent Assembly was held in December 1946, and the Constitution was framed by 299 members of the Constituent Assembly.
We will now read out the preamble of a constitution. We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved, to constitute India, into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic,
and to secure to all its citizens, justice, social, economic and political, liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all, fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual, and the unity and integrity of the nation, in our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact, and give to ourselves this Constitution. Jai Hind.
let us listen to a melodious song by our Johnny teachers.
वतन मेरे वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, है वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तू, है जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तू, है वतन मेरे वतन, है वतन मेरे वतन, है वतन का पता, जीत का पता, इन मुट्ठियों में चांद तारे भर के, आसमां की हद से गुजर के, हो जा तू भीड़ से जुदा, भीड़ से जुदा, कहने का जर्रा है तू, लोहे का छर्रा है तू, टूटी शमशीरों से ही हो, कर हर मैदान फतेह, कर हर मैदान फतेह, कर हर मैदान फतेह, बंदिया हर मैदान फतेह, कर हर मैदान फतेह, कर हर मैदान फतेह, कर हर मैदान फतेह, बंदिया हर मैदान फतेह, कर हर मैदान फतेह, बंदिया कर हर मैदान फतेह।
Coming up next is a dance performance by our teachers.
अंबर हेठा धरती वसदी, एथे हर रुत हसदी हो, किन्ना सोना देश है मेरा, देश है मेरा, देश है मेरा, किन्ना सोना देश है मेरा, देश है मेरा, देश है मेरा, देश है मेरा।
Hey!
Constitution gives every individual, irrespective of the religion, region, gender or language, equal rights. While we enjoy these rights, let us not forget our duties. As students, we must be disciplined and gain sufficient knowledge, developing our talents. We must grow up into responsible and law-abiding citizens who will contribute in some way to the development of our motherland and the strengthening of our values and principles. Let us remember the inspiring words of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, and I quote, "My national flag flies in my heart, and I will bring glory to my nation. I will firmly believe that no problem can defeat me. I will defeat the problem and succeed. Jai Hind."
As we come to the conclusion of our Republic Day celebrations, you know that our grand finale each year is the national anthem. The unique part is that in St. John's, we don't just sing the national anthem, but we sign language it as a mark of our inclusion of all people and the voiceless, marginalized people of our country. We also want to take a walk down memory lane because sadly this year has gone without our children in the school and it has been an empty place. So, for the grand finale, we are going to take you down memory lane and we are going to play a recording of the national anthem as performed by our boys at a previous Republic Day celebration in the hall with all of you present. May God be with each one of you. God bless.